how you can find your ordered products in the future, and how the new KUNOMAIL online shop works, you can see here. Hello dear KUNOMAILers, and welcome to our new video. Our new KUNOMAIL online shop is finally there. How you will get your products after purchase, how you will find them, and what the automatic download is all about, I will show you now. This is our new KUNOMAIL shop. We will go to this shopping site now. I will show you all products. There you can see the KUNOMAIL license, the additional license, the KUNOMAIL movie maker, and a lot more, like stationaries and greeting cards, or our assistants. So I will put a product in my shopping cart. I take the cotton candy interface. Now on the product side you can see the pictures here, and maybe you have products like this one, you have a YouTube video included. So now you can see what the interface is all about. You can see the icons, all the animations that will go on in this interface, so you can better decide what to choose. Even the assistants you can see walking into KUNOMAIL and saying you have mail, so that's really cool. So you can add it to the basket or to the wish list. If you want to add things to your wish list, you have to sign in to our online shop first. So you can buy things as a guest too, and I will show you how. I will put this to the basket and I can view it by one click. And that's it, my cotton candy interface. And I can go to checkout, or I can have an express checkout with PayPal here, but I will choose this way. So if you already signed up, you can sign in here, or you can continue as a guest. So you have the option to sign up during the checkout. So I will choose this one. I filled this in before. So this email address is very important, because this one is the online shop email address. So it is important for your products and that it all synchronized with KUNOMAIL. If you like to register for future orders, you can click here. Or if you would like to continue as a guest, you can leave it at that. So I will click next, and there it is, the delivery method, and it's automatic download. And here you can see we have the purchase products are automatically transferred, i.e. there is an automatic download to your KUNOMAIL using the email address used for the purchase. This is the one that I said to you in the address field. And you have to add the email address used for the purchase under settings online shop in your KUNOMAIL, and I will show you how. Okay, I will go on first and buy this. So here are our payment methods. We have PayPal, we have Klarna, we have the bank transfer, we have iDeal, and we have cash in advance. So I will take the cash in advance, for example, and I will move on to check and order. And I buy this now. my interface. And there are our order confirmation. So I will go on to KUNOMAIL now. Yes, we have a new email now. There it is. Our order received confirmation. And this is my order. The cotton candy interface. So I will show you how to get your orders after purchase. So you go to settings first and then to online account. And there I have my email address. If I use this email for my license, the license email address is automatically put here. So you can see it first, and if you purchase other products with this email address, it automatically will synchronize in KUNOMAIL, and you will have your products. If you have paid them, you will get them immediately. So if I want to have another assistant, for example, and I go to the shop and pay with PayPal Express checkout, and I use my PayPal address, then I have to put my email address of PayPal here and save my credentials. So then I would have 2 email addresses here, and the products will load easily in KUNOMAIL. So no matter which email address you use in the future, it only has to be stored in your settings. That's very, very important. So, and we have another example. If Max Mustermann buys himself a license and his wife Erika Mustermann an additional license, so they have the same activation and automatically have the same products. If Max Mustermann buys himself an assistant, then Erika Mustermann also have the same product in her online account. So, and now I will show you where to find your products. I bought an interface, so I look up here in my interface list, and there it is, it's cotton candy. So I can go to wizards. If I bought an assistant, you can find it here. If you bought stationery or greeting cards, you can find it on Compose New Email. And here on the left there is all my stuff. I have a stationery, I have greeting cards. So, and I can choose from this. And so I can make a lot funny emails. So that's it. We look forward to welcoming you to our new online shop, and we love to see you soon. Your KUNOMAIL team.